Yesterday we were able to raise $200 to $1,600. I removed $1,000 and then it was remaining $555 yesterday. And this morning I was able to take the account to 800 and something dollars. So I used two trade, $50. It's running currently, as you can see. I analyzed the market on 10 minutes and it will having remaining 7 minutes and for the market or the trade to enter. And you literally see the trade is equally enter, because you look at the distance is covered from my entry point down here, and if you still look at the both indicator I'm using represents, like, it's really stand out that the market will still continue the bearish move after now. Our balance currently is $700, as you can see, and then I'm going to remove $200 out of it to make it so that we maintain $500 equity on this particular account. Then this two trader is running on profit of $96, which is going to be around $185. Well, if it turn out good, I guess so. Then it's going to add to that, and we'll be having around 600 plus. I will take it to 700 back, but I'll be removing $200 out of it right now. While this trade is running on profit, we are taking it in 6 minutes time. Now, for me to make withdrawal, I'll go to withdrawal section, and then I'll be using battery going low. I'll be using crypto. Let me remove 200. I have to put my pause. TRC20. That was one of yesterday. Hit on confirm, and then we are going to wait for the code to drop so that I can copy the code. It has already dropped. Let's check. The pin code is 586980. 586980. I'm hit on confirm. Boom. Our withdrawal request has been sent. We'll go to the account now. We are going to be having $500. Then the one running, we make it 600 plus. Now we have 556 cents. And in 5 minutes time, the market is going to close on profits. Then after, we use whatsoever will be on it to take it back to 700, and that will be enough for the day. Thank you. Just stay by with me and let's see how this trade play out. I'm going to pause the video for now. Alright, the two trade I was talking about, we'll have less than 24 seconds thereabout for it to close. Let's kindly wait, and then let me start analyzing the trade I will take after. The market has run off. This is a perfect selling point, but I would have entered from the previous candle. The two trade has closed. We have 693, as you can see. I will just use few money. I'll not use the whole $96. Let me just use the 90. Okay, let me use $43. And let's look for, let me use 1 minute. We stay here for a minute. The market is going to enter because the stochastic oscillator is leaving the buying side, coming to the selling side, and also the moving average, which is that yellow line, is positioned below a selling candle. So the market will still be making it way down. Even the candle forming now, the candle is going to be going down because the stochastic oscillator has not touched the red line, which is the 30% line of the stochastic oscillator, and also the moving average is crossing that particular candle. So which means that the market will still be making it way down. And as you're seeing, is exactly what I'm saying that is happening in the market. So let's wait. So we are going to make our account back to $700, and we have less than 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom, we now have $733. Okay, all right, let me even change it to 33 and look for another entry. Let's use EGP. This market will still sell, yes, and this is the reason why I say it's still going to sell. I think let me mark this entry. We did not trade against the trend, we trade in favor of the trend, which is the bearish. The market is going bearish. If you look at the stochastic oscillator, the line is lying below the 30% line of the stochastic oscillator. If you look at this, the moving average we are using, it is flowing with the trend, and it is not positioned in a way that any going up candle is going to end the call. So let me just cancel. Let's check. We have less than 8 seconds for us to take the profits out of the market, and then burn again. We now have $764. I'm going to be editing it to $64, and then I will select another currency pair, and here we can say again for 1 minute. And this is the reason why I stood here again for 1 minute, because if you look at the same indicator that I always use, it is coming, it's kind of touching the selling. So, and if you look at the moving average, it is crossing that particular candle, and this is the main bull selling candle for now. So the market will still be continuing the bearish move after now. And as you can see, what is happening in the market, as if we have magic. I have magic in my mouth. The second candle, even if it turns to a buying candle before it crosses our entry point, we will take the profit. The reason why I say even if it turns to a buying candle, because I am seeing it, maybe it's going to turn to it. Why? Because look, you see what is happening. I equally know what is going to happen, because this thing has tied with it. But it is going to lag between till we take our profit, or the market will still break down. That is, if there is any little shift at this stochastic oscillator now, you see, and we now have $822, and we just withdraw what? $200. I did this place to $22. We are doing wonders. Let's go back to that. We are going to buy here. I'm not in form of buying in the market, if you observe very well. But at this point, I decide to buy, and let me show you the reason why I decide to buy here. Because see, the moving average. I just got a message that the withdrawal, $200 withdrawal we made has been dropped. Now let me draw down the curtain, and then you can see that the $200 USDT has already been dropped out. And this is the email from them. With the account right now, let's check the withdrawal aspects, and you are going to see that the $200 has been succeeded. And I want us to, the account is on $800. I want us to place another $300 withdrawal, so that I will maintain $500 equity, and I am going to take the $500 to $1,000. That will be tomorrow. Today's home is okay. This is the address we used before, and then we see this, and then now it's going to be 300. I have to hit on confirm. They'll send the code again. We have to wait to copy it. You see how smooth it's going? It is because somebody has taken his time and have really studied this. It doesn't just happen as you are saying it. It's not like that. It's not that simple. Okay, let me go get the code. I have copied the code, and then here we paste it to confirm, and you can see withdrawal has been sent successfully. And if we go to the account now, we'll have $500 balance. See, $500 balance. The transaction is going to be what? Is some pending waiting to be sent. That is, we have withdrawn total $500 today, and we still have $500 standby in the account, and we withdrew $1,000 yesterday. As you can see, it's awesome. All right, bye bye for now. Take care.